In a world long gone, when colossal creatures roamed the earth, one behemoth stood above the rest. It possessed enormous claws that could tear through trees and crush the bones of its prey. Let's uncover the unbelievable truth about Megatherium, the giant clawed monster that defied all expectations. Megatherium, a fascinating creature from the past, holds a significant place in the field of paleontology. Defined as a genus of extinct ground sloths, this monster has captivated scientists and enthusiasts alike with its immense size and unique adaptations. Its importance lies in the insights it provides into prehistoric ecosystems and evolutionary history. The taxonomy and classification provide a systematic framework for understanding its evolutionary relationships and place within the animal kingdom. As a starting point, it belongs to the kingdom Animalia, the phylum Chordata, and the class Mammalia. Furthermore, it falls under the order Pelosa, which encompasses sloths and anteaters. Within the Pelosa order, Megatherium is classified under the family Megatheridae and the genus Megatherium. It is important to note that they encompass several species, each denoted by distinct variations within the genus. The taxonomy and classification of them enable researchers to establish connections between different species and trace the evolutionary history of these extraordinary creatures. Its sheer size is awe-inspiring. On average, they reached lengths of about 6 meters and could weigh up to 4 tons, making it one of the largest ground sloths to have ever existed. Its skeletal structure reveals notable adaptations for supporting such immense weight. They had a robust and sturdy body, with a barrel-shaped chest and powerful limbs. Speaking of limbs, Megatherium's forelimbs were particularly remarkable. Its arms were disproportionately long, allowing it to reach vegetation high above the ground. These adaptations indicate a predominantly arboreal lifestyle. Even though it was a ground-dwelling species, its hind limbs were also strong and muscular, suited for both walking and supporting its massive body weight. They thrived in various environments, including grasslands, savannas, and forested regions. It generally preferred areas with abundant vegetation, as its diet consisted primarily of plants. Regarding its distribution, Megatherium fossils have been found in several regions of the Americas. The genus had a wide geographic range, with fossils discovered in North America, Central America, and South America. Specifically, remains of it have been uncovered in countries such as Argentina, Brazil, Bolivia, Uruguay, Venezuela, and the United States. Its large size and robust skeletal structure were indicative of its need to consume substantial amounts of plant matter to sustain its energy requirements. It is primarily fed on vegetation, including leaves, stems, and possibly fruits. Its elongated snout and specialized dentition allowed it to bite off and chew plant material effectively. The sharp incisors were used for cropping vegetation, while the strong molars helped grind and process tough plant fibers. One of the intriguing aspects of Megatherium's feeding behavior was its ability to reach high vegetation, despite being a ground-dwelling animal. This was made possible by its long forelimbs, which allowed it to stretch upward and pull branches within reach. They likely used their powerful claws to grip and manipulate vegetation, bringing them closer to their mouth for consumption. Furthermore, their adaptations suggest that they were a selective feeder. It likely preferred specific types of plants based on their nutrient content and availability. By examining fossilized fecal matter, known as coprolites, scientists have gained insights into the plant species consumed by them, providing valuable information about the vegetation composition in their habitat. In terms of social structure, Megatherium is believed to have been a solitary animal. Fossil evidence suggests that individuals generally lived and foraged alone, rather than in groups or herds. They were primarily active during the day, making it diurnal. It likely spent a significant portion of its waking hours searching for food and feeding on vegetation. Its large body size and herbivorous diet required extensive foraging to meet its energy needs. The extinction of Megatherium and other ground sloths is an intriguing topic. While the exact cause of their extinction is not fully understood, various factors have been proposed, including climate change, habitat loss, competition with other herbivores, and the arrival of human populations. The disappearance of Megatherium and its relatives had a significant impact on the ecosystems they once inhabited, altering the dynamics of plant-herbivore interactions. Thank you for joining us on this captivating journey into the world of Archelon, the ancient giant of the seas. Hopefully, we will see you in the next video.